I was gonna wait until I got down there, but I'm gonna hold the tripod in one hand and get down here on this ladder. Take you on down here. Let's see what we can see. All right, I know you're just dying to see. Look at that. Oh, wow. See here, this is from the column. And here's my scratch awl. My fist. See, it's pretty dry in there. Other than this, boy, this side one here, I could push all the way. I could push my scratch all the way in that too. Wow. I got my work cut out for me, don't I? Look at that. That's going down the stairs. I think I'm going to end up having to take that down too and such. But this is the ledger that was nailed onto the stucco. See, there was stucco here before because they decided to add this section of deck on and make those stairs go down there. You know, had they have done that before the stucco, obviously there wouldn't be any stucco down here. It would all kind of look like that up there. See, and that's where some of the water came right there. See that big old column? All the water from there. Plus there's a top deck up there. I'm running down this. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Look at this 2x6 here. Look at that. That's part of the wood flooring there that was up there. And eventually I'm going to have to just make a decision whether or not to leave this here or not. I don't know, because see, they went right through they had to go through the stucco, so they had to use longer nails. And see right there, there's a bolt. They put a bolt in there and tighten it down. And see, they ran bolts all the way along here. See, here's another bolt there. There's another bolt down there. But see, that stuff looks pretty nasty. I may have to take that out. And see, before I take that out, I'm going to mark this with the pencil. And I've got to take these ledgers, this ledger board out. You see this is the wood wall here, and then they're stuck on the outside of that. We're not going to touch that, but I am going to, I think, get rid of this ledger. I've got to poke into it and pry and stuff. See how bad it looks there? This looks pretty suspect here too. And I'm going to have to decide what to do with that. But if I take this out, I need to mark it first with my pencil along there. Same thing with this one. If I decide to take this one out, I'll have to mark it. If I decide to leave it in, well, it's probably bad. And even if there's a little bit of dry rot in it, it's best to get it out all the way. Okay, so more than likely I'll take this ledger off of here, but I'll have to mark it first because I want my new ledger to go up there. This isn't perfectly level or anything. It's sloping. It's sloping at an angle all the way to this back wall. So anything I take down, I need to remark first. Just don't go willy-nilly and start beating everything up and ripping and tearing and then deciding later, oh, I should have done this, I should have done that. Think about what you're doing before you do it. Got a battery operated sawzall. It's called a reciprocating saw. And I'm going to end up cutting this out of here, and I'm just going to cut a straight line so I can pry it out of there. I could probably pry that whole thing out without cutting it, but it'll be easier to do it in little pieces. And I made the determination that I'm going to have to take this one off too. It's dry rotted in the corners on both sides, plus on top of here the flooring was glued down to it, so I couldn't even use that even if it wasn't dry rotted. Same thing with this. See all up in there, so that's coming out. I was hoping to save this piece here, but I can't. It's all dry rotted right over there and over there, and I couldn't find my ratchet set, and I don't know if I can get these out. These are lag bolts, really long ones, and they might be all rusted anyway, so with that I could cut out a section here with my sawzall, and then I can split the wood out. Okay, so away I go here in a minute, and yes, I got my glasses on, I got my mask and all that. I should have put that on sooner because there's all kinds of mold spores up here. This is not the black mold or anything that condemns houses or anything. This is other kind of stuff, but you know, with cutting this stuff and all that, I gotta be a little bit better, so I gotta keep my mask on and my goggles on when I do this stuff. You see the sawzall, to undo this, I just pulled that out. That's pretty slick. And I can pop this in either direction, this way, because I like to use it that way so I can cut down, or it can be flipped around that way. Okay, my blade is a little bit short, but I think I can make it work. They've got other blades that are a little bit longer. And then I even have one that's about this long. But I'm going to use this one. And I've got another battery plugged into my charger up there. And I also have a reciprocating saw like this that you hook to an extension cord. But I'm gonna try this. I think I'll have enough power and juice for that. And like I said, I got 2 batteries, so I can cut that and get these ledgers out. Okay. So that's the next thing I need to do. I guess I need to put some pencil marks there. I went ahead and put pencil mark over here. See, there's a pencil line right there, along there. I even did it over here. And I'll just take this out in little sections. I had to take those blocks out because the block could have been over one of the studs, you know, the nails. So I took those blocks out, and it'll be much easier for me to take a couple slices in here with my sawzall, take these out in smaller chunks, and I can work around, get this one out, get this one out. Probably gonna have to get that out. See, I can move this with my hand. Look at that. You shouldn't be able to do that. And I'll get working on that and show you some more in a bit. I got stuff picked up, set over here in a pile, swept around that, and I like to sweep up a little bit before I call it good at the end of each day. I used to work with the guy. We did room additions and remodels and houses and stuff, and every day we got done, we cleaned up, especially if we're working in a remodel, somebody's house or something. People like that, having you clean up, you know. making it look halfway decent. I swept up all over there by my carpet pad, you know, so I don't track stuff in and all of that. Oh. So I'll pick up the rest of the stuff and we'll go some more tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me.